In this video, I will show you how to download Google Maps offline on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in and connected to stable Wi-Fi network. Next, tap your profile picture or initials at the top right. And then tap Offline Maps. Now tap Select your own map or Download a new map. Here you will get a rectangular area. Just zoom in or out to cover the desired area within the highlighted box. Here you will also find the total size of the map that will be downloaded. Once done, tap Download. Note that you cannot download the entire world or continent. If a region is too large, zoom in further. Offline maps only support driving directions and generally expire 1 year from creation, if not used or updated. So that is how you can download Google Maps offline on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.